Okay, yesterday we have started with functions. In functions, we have seen the aggregate functions: minimum, maximum, sum, average, count. So those are the aggregate functions. So there is another type of functions, string function. String functions are lower, upper, init cap, substring, string, lpad, rpad. And one thing, length also will be there. So what this all will do? Lower means we can see the letters in lowercase letters. Upper means we can see the letters in uppercase letters. Init cap means initial letter capital and remaining everything small. We'll see. Select name. So there are e names, employee names. Now by default, these are in capital letters only. So now we want to see the employee names as a lowercase letters. Select lower of. Lower is a one function. Lower of ename from employee. See, everything we can see in lowercase letter only. Upper of ename. Everything we can see in uppercase letters only. Init cap, and init cap means initial letter capital. Init cap of ename means initial letter capital and rest all small. See, initial letter K is capital, rest all small. B is capital, rest all small, like that. Init cap is initial letter capital. Okay, nothing is there. If there is any like this, we need to submit a report to the customer or to the client. So the client requirement will be, so all names, everything in the table should be in capital letters, or all names first letter is capital, remaining everything is small letters. So like that they will give requirement. So in that scenario we can apply these functions: lower, upper, init cap as per the requirement. Another one is length function. What length will do? Select length of ename. Will give the length of the name. Okay, so now you can see like this: ename comma length of ename. So here you can see ename is a king, his length is 4, means 4 characters. Blake is the name and his length is 5. Clark 5. Like this you can see employee names as well as length of ename. So length is one function. Next, substring. Substring, in-string, these are the important. Just listen carefully. It will return the string based on the start position and length. This is the syntax for the substring. Substr string, whatever we want to give string, that string. And first we need to give start position, comma length. Okay. Means here select substring of. In string place I am giving hello world. Hello world is one string. So I want string. I want to substring from the string. Start position 4th. 4th means this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. 4th position to 6th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Till here it will display. First, see the select hello world from here. See directly hello world we can see. Okay. Now I want to see from fourth position to length 6. Sorry. So what it gave fourth position to length 6th. I want to display the world. Only world I want to display. So we can calculate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8th position, world length. How much is the length of the world? 5. From 8 comma 5. This is from starting position, and this is the ending position. This is the length of the string. Now we can see world. Okay, in any of the string, if you want to see the substring of the string, hello world is the string, and we want to display world is world. This is a substring, so we can use the substring function. Clear?
Spaces we haven't calculated.
Space also it will calculate. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Space also it will calculate. Till here, eight characters are there. So starting position 8. Here, to
We have
display the
to
word.
calculate from 1, not index like 0.
No, it calculates from 1. See, if you don't give length also, it's okay. If you say 1, from 1 it will display. See, hello world. If you say 2, from second character it will display. If you say 3, from third character it will display. Like that, if you say 8, from 8th character it will display world. So if you want length, from 8th character, I want 3 characters. See, WOR. From 8th, I want 4. WOR. From 8th, I want 5. WOR. Clear now?
Okay.
These are the very important substring, in string. Okay. In job is there. There is job only. There is job column. So instead of displaying everything, so I want only first 3 characters. I want to display only first 3 characters. How you will display? First display job. Select job. So this is the job details. I want to display only first 3 characters. Select substring. Substring of first to 3. See, only first 3 characters only you can see. Sorry, employee name I have given. Here job. Okay, anything you can job. If you want to see last 3 characters, we can give -3. -3 means it will give last 3 characters. ENT, GER. If you want to see last 2 characters, -2. Like this we can give. Substring, what it will return? It will return the substring. based on the position and length. This is a string, and if you want to display substring from the string, we can use substring. That's it. In string, the in string is the another position, another function, instr. It will return the position of the letter. It will return the position of the letter. So syntax is instr of string, comma, substring of start position and the appearance. These are the optional. So actually what it will do, so there is hello world string. So I want to see the position of E. So where the E is there, second position. I want to see the position of O, where the O is there. O, like that. We can see. Where the E position is there, 2. Where the O position is there, 5. So like that we can see. From starting onwards, it will display the position of the character in string. Why this will be useful? I'll tell you. Okay, substring. So I want to display what I want to display. Only world I want to display. So you have displayed world. My requirement is whatever the string is there. Here, whatever the string is there, hello world or anything, I want to display only world. So, but here what you have mentioned 8 because in the string we know world starts from 8th position. So that is the reason we have given 8 here. But it is changed. It is changed. Hello world. It is changed. But when you execute this, what it will give? Will it give the world? No, it will not give because from 8th position it will display everything because we have given 8. But the input parameter is changed. Hello world, like this. So to maintain our code statically, not statically, dynamically. So whatever the value change here, still I want to display world in single code only. So for that, we can use substring in string. Okay, same query, I want to display the world. Okay, here we have given 8. So why we have given 8? Previously, world is in 8th position. Previously, W is world starts from 8th position. Okay, but now the words are increased. The words are increased. Letters are increased. We don't know in which position world is there. So in that scenario, we are having how to find the position of the string. By using in string, we can find the position of the string. In this word, in the string, if you find world, it will give the position of the string. It is given 18. 18th position world is there. Okay. So again, if I give 18 here, now it is giving correct result world. But again, another 2 O's are increased. So I need to check again what is the position of the string. Again, I want to check here. I want to check here, and this 20 I want to insert here. So instead of that, at a time, if you can use this string function directly here in place of number, Directly I'm using string function. This is the soft coded code. Whatever the value change also, the result will give correct only. See world. Again, I am changing something. I am decreasing the 3 rows. Here also I am decreasing the 3 rows. Still the result will be same. World. I am decreasing 3 rows and I am adding some A's. 3 rows and I am adding 3 A's. Still the result is same world. So like this we need to write a code. We need to write our logic. So whatever the input parameter change also, our result should be perfect. That is called soft coded. Hard coded means if you give number manually, that is a hard coded. And if you write logic like this, then that is a soft coded code. Here in string substring,
Yes, bro.
yeah, in substring, what substring will return? It will display the string, substring inside the string. What in string will return? It will display the position of the character. Position of the string it will display. That's it. That is the difference between string and substring. Length we have already seen. LPAD, RPAD. LPAD is nothing. So here we have employee names. Employee names. So in report, they don't want to see the spaces and everything. Like here 4 characters are there, here 5 characters are there. So they want fixed 10 characters. They want to see fixed 10 characters. If the letter is, if the name is 4 characters, then remaining 6 character append with something. Anything, any symbol append with any symbol. So further we have LPAD. LPAD of e name comma 10 means 10 digits we require and append with at the rate symbol. See, LPAD means left side. Left side I am append with the at the rate symbol. So now in report you can see 10 characters only. RPAD means it will append the right side. Same syntax, just in place of LPAD I have given RPAD. So it is appended right side at the right symbol. This is the LPAD and right pad.
హలో రఘు,
Yeah,
అన్ని అట్ ద రేట్లు వచ్చినాయంటే ఇన్ని ఇవ్వాలని ఇస్తామా లేకపోతే?
మనం 10 ఇచ్చాం కదా ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ నాకు ఏంటంటే కింగ్ అనేది ఓన్లీ 4 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంది నార్మల్ గా. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్
ఇంక్లూడింగ్ కింగ్ తో పాటు మిగతావన్నీ అట్ ద రేట్ ఆఫ్ వస్తాయి.
సెలెక్ట్ ఈ నేమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎంప్లాయీ. సో ఇక్కడ కింగ్ ఉంది, బ్లేక్ ఉంది, క్లార్క్ ఉంది. సో ఇది 4 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంది, 5 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంది. కానీ కొన్నిసార్లు క్లయింట్స్ ఏమంటారు రిక్వైర్మెంట్, సో నాకు ఈ నేమ్స్ అన్ని ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ లెంత్ కావాలి నాకు. ఇక్కడ ఒకటేమో 4 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంది, ఒకటేమో 5 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంది. కానీ అట్లా కాదు, నాకు అన్ని ఒక ఫిక్స్డ్ క్యారెక్టర్ కావాలి, ఫిక్స్డ్ లెంత్ కావాలి. సో ఇక్కడ నేమ్ ఏంది, నేమ్ 4 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంది. సో నాకు 10 క్యారెక్టర్స్ కావాలంటే రిమైనింగ్ 6 క్యారెక్టర్స్ అపెండ్ విత్ సంథింగ్. ఓకే, నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం చేసా, అట్ ద రేట్ తో అపెండ్ చేశాను రిమైనింగ్ 6 క్యారెక్టర్స్. సో ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ 5 క్యారెక్టర్స్, ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ 5 క్యారెక్టర్స్, ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ 4 క్యారెక్టర్స్ అట్లా. సో ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు ఇక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ చూస్తే నీకు ఫిక్స్డ్ లెంత్ కనిపిస్తుంది మొత్తం.
ఓకే,
కింగ్ ఉంది కదా, కింగ్ తర్వాత 6 అట్ ద రేట్లు అపెండ్ చేసింది. అట్ ది రేట్ కదా హ్యాష్ సింబల్ అయినా ఎంచుకోవచ్చు, నీ ఇష్టం ఏదైనా ఎంచుకోవచ్చు, నువ్వు దేంతో అయితే అపెండ్ చేస్తావు అనుకున్నావు దాంతో. సో ఇక్కడ మార్టిన్ అనేది 6 క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఉంది, రిమైనింగ్ 4 క్యారెక్టర్స్ అట్ ది రేట్తో అపెండ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? ఒకవేళ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ అపెండ్ చేయాలనుకుంటే ఎల్ ప్యాడ్, రైట్ సైడ్ అపెండ్ చేయాలనుకుంటే ఆర్ ప్యాడ్. క్లియర్?
ఓకే ఓకే.
So I want to show you. I created 2 tables. One table I have created with the name, which is char of 10. Another table I have created T2 with column name and var 2 of 10. I'm inserting the value. Insert into T1. సేమ్ T2 లో కూడా నేను సేమ్ వాల్యూ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను, హైదరాబాద్. Start from T1, select start from T2. Both are same. T1 table also Hyderabad, T2 table also Hyderabad. But for T1 I have given a char data type. But for T2 I have given var char2 data type. So now we will see what is the difference between the char and var char2. When you see the length, length of name, length of name from T1, 10. But what is the actual value in name? T1 HYD. Length of name from T2 3. This is correct only. And when you use char, it is taking all spaces. So we have given char of 10. Char of 10 I have given, and name I am set as Hyderabad. Char 2 of 10 I have given, name I have given as 100. But when I see length, of name is giving as 10. But here when I see length of name, it is giving as 3. So that is the difference between char and char 2. So if you give character of 10, the size you have given 10, so it will occupy the total space. So if you insert 3 digits characters, so remaining 7-digit characters will be wastage only. Remaining 7-digit characters will be wastage only. See here, length of name. So it occupied total 10 digits. But when you give var char 2 of 10, so whatever the required space, that only it will take. So if you give Hyderabad here, total Hyderabad give, then the length of name equal to 9. It will show 9. So if you give Hyderabad here, but still the length of name equal to 10, because we have given character. Character contains a fixed size of length, so it will take more space. Oh, which will be better? By seeing this example, yeah, var char 2 will be better. But in var char 2, with 3 characters, with the 3 characters. The length information also will be stored internally. Length information also will be stored internally. So for one column, that is okay. If there is any 1 lakh records, 1 lakh columns, so that will store first Hyderabad, and after that length information. Next Bangalore, again length information. Next some Chennai, again length information. Like this. It will store. If there is any 1 lakh records, it will display, it will store with the characters as well as length information. So that will be performance degrades with varchar 2. So in some scenarios, like there is currency, INR, GBP, USD. So in this currency column, so every time we will insert only 3-digit values. Only 3 digit. We know in currency column there are only 3 digits are required. So in this scenario, we can give char of 3. If we know is there any fixed length of characters in the column, then we can give char. So if you don't know which, for example, names, some names are 4 characters, some names are 5 characters, some names are 6 characters. We don't know the fixed length. So in that scenario, we can use varchar. Okay. Clear? Char varchar to difference.
Yes.
Some scenario char will be better, some scenario varchar will be better. So in this scenario, we know the fixed length of character will be there. So if we create varchar on this, that will be performance issue. In this scenario, character will be better. Next, date functions we are having: add months, current date, sys date, current timestamp, sys timestamp, last day, and also months between. Months between. I think sys date I have already discussed. You can see the current date. Select sys date from here. System date. Sys date means system date, today's date. Sys timestamp. Sys timestamp means it will give the today's date with hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, and time zone. Everything it will give. Sys timestamp. Today's date, time, hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds, time zone. So I have given one date. I want to see the last day. Last day of the month. Last day function will give last day of the month. See, last day of 20th Feb. There is 29. So last day of sys date. This month last day I want to see. 31st October this month. So if I give some 1st August. 1st August 2021. I have given one date. I want to see the last day of that month. See, 31st August. Feb. I want to see Feb month, last day. 28th Feb is the last day.
Let's suppose if we give 01, 0 to 21,
01,
02, that is not this format.
not a valid month. Month we need to give for last day function. We need to give like this only. Feb, August, like that. So for 02, if you want to give, that is different function is there. 2char function we need to convert. That also I will discuss.
Okay.
So we need to convert first that to char. You need to convert into to char. This date, mm, ed, mm, y. Now in place of, if you see directly sysdate, if you see directly sysdate, it is showing October. But here, what is doing? What is showing? 10. So there is a conversion function to char. So in previous example also, you can convert this. Okay, this conversion function I will explain you later. And another one is next day function. So if you give one day, and if you want to see the next, when is the Sunday, next when is the Monday, next when is the Saturday, like that, if you want to see, you can use the next day function. So I have given the 20th Feb. I want to see when is the next Sunday. 23rd Feb is the next Sunday. So now I am giving this date. This date means today's date. And when is the next Sunday? 10th October is the next Sunday. Okay. For this next day will be useful. Just now I have explained to char. We can convert into the character. Date we can convert into the character. Okay. String also we can convert into the date. So there is one date. So I am giving today 8th October 2021. So this is the date, but this is in character format. I want to convert this into the date format. To date function will be helpful. To date, convert the character to the date. 8th October 2021. This is the character. What I am converting? DD, MM, YY format. 10th October. So I have converted into the character to, this is the character. I have converted into the date format. So
Suppose if we want YYYYMMDD, then also we have to use to date function.
no. YYYY. Like that.
MMDD.
So if we give 2021 like that, we can use. But for to char function, we can see that. I will show you that also. To char. Sysdate is there. I want to see from sysdate only YY only want to see. 2021 year. So you are saying YY ED.
Yes.
2021 10th month 8th day. You want to see only current day only. DAY Friday. You want to see only current date DD. If you give DD, it will give date. So if you want to see only Friday, so here if you give day, it is showing total day Friday. But if you want to see only FRI, only 3 letters, then DY you can give DY. Right. Only month you want to see. MM. If you give month, it will give number. Means 10th month. If you want to see month name, MON. October. And if you want to see YY 21 YY 2021 like this.
MM.
Yeah, already we have given. Then
Suppose if we want October completely, then MONTH. Just that.
Okay. So this is the toChar function and toDate function. toDate, why this will be useful? So in real-time scenarios, we will receive the flat files, data from flat files. So that flat file contains like this 1001, name is ABC, and his salary is 5,000, and some commission 1,000, some department 10, department IT department, and the date. So like this, we will receive the file. So in real time, mostly we will receive the data from files, flat files. Flat files means CSV files, TXT files. So the data will be like this. So this data we need to load from flat files to our database tables. So for that we are having SQL loader concept. That once we complete the SQL, then we can see this SQL loader concept. So while loading only, so here we are receiving as a text, as a characters. So we need to insert into the table by converting the character to date. For the toDate function will be useful. Okay, character to number, number to character, date to character, character to date. These are the conversion functions. This SQL loader will see data. So as of now, concentrate on the functions. So this is everything I have given here. So like this we can insert. So if you receive flat file data 1001 ABC like this, if you give, so we can insert into the table. Insert into table test values 1001 ABC. So this thing you can convert. We can convert it to the toDate and you can insert into the table. For that, conversion functions will be useful. Okay. So if you give two dates, if you want to see the months between the two dates, we are having months between. Two months. Trunk what will give? It will round up the results. See, only two. Between these two dates, we are having only 2 months gap. That for the months between function will be useful. And remaining number functions are there. Mod function, round function. Round means round off, it will do. So if I give any character, so it will give the round. Round off, everyone remember, right? Everyone know, right? Round off. So 2.6 round off 3. 2.5 round off how much?
3,
2.4.
2.
This is the round function we do. And floor. 2.3, 2, 2.6, 2, 2.9, 2. After point, whatever the value is there, it will not consider the floor function. Mod. Everyone know mod function in mathematics? It will give the remainder. So we have given 10. So if we divide it by with 2, so whatever the remainder is there, that remainder it will give 0. Because 2 5s are 10. So there will be a 0 remainder. Now I'm giving 9. 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 1. So you will see 1. 11. 1. So mod function will give the remainder. So those are the some functions. We are having important functions MVL, MVL2, case decode. These things we will discuss tomorrow. These are the very important functions. So in real-time scenarios, mostly we will use these functions. To practice all of these functions, I will forward you this notepad also. Tomorrow is Saturday. I will update the class timings tomorrow. Okay.
ఓకే బ్రదర్.
Okay, bro.
చిన్న డౌట్.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు 08 అక్టోబర్ టుడే డేట్ కదా, ఒక 10 days తర్వాత డేట్ అండ్ డే ఏమిటో తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఎలా?
Today's date.
టుడే డేట్ 08 అక్టోబర్ కదా, ఒక 10 days తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ డే దట్ ఈస్ సండే ఆర్ మండే ఎలా? అండ్ ఏ డే తిరిగారి? సండే ఆర్ మండే టుడే 18th అక్టోబర్ సండే ఆర్ మండే?
So you can give like that.
ఓకే.
Monday.
ఓకే.
Clear?
Two care function. Yes, clear brother. Thank you.
So if you want to display like this, the date also. This is date plus 10.
Okay.
Or
18th
Monday.
October. Okay.
Clear?
Yes, brother. Clear. Thank you.
Okay. Any doubts? If no doubts, then I'll start the session.
Okay, brother.
Bye.